let me invite the lady of the hour. This woman was the youngest dietitian at Lilavati Hospital, the youngest chief dietitian at Lilavati Hospital at the age of 23. Can you all guess how many clients she has trained in the last few years? Eight number. 1,000?
5,000.
5,000? 20,000? 25,000? 50,000? 75,000? I got the answer from her. She's trained 75,000 clients across the globe. And you know how much weight she has lost herself? 40. And she did it twice. Yeah, so she did it twice. I have also done it. I've done only half of what she did. I gained 20 kgs in both my pregnancies and I kind of came back. But it is hard. It is really hard. And I think all of you will agree with me that, losing weight along with managing our families, our careers and everything that goes around in life and just prioritizing ourselves is super hard. Right? So here we are to spend this morning talking and listening to Khyati for all the insights she's going to share with us. But I would urge all of you to, guys, please, if you're taking back home something today, take the key essence she's going to teach us and implement them in your everyday life. Is that a promise? We all try? Alright, over to you, Khyati. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. Good morning. So today ना आज मैंने कॉफी नहीं पी है, तो जब तक वो आती आ गई, so I think your first question will be weight loss में चाय कॉफी पी सकते हैं कि नहीं? Of course पी सकते हैं. जिएंगे कैसे? पति कैसे जिएंगे? Without this, correct, right? So if I have to tell you a few things about myself, so that your phone is not troubling you, first and foremost, okay, देख लो ये Instagram पे, follow कर लो, so that is out of the way. Okay, we'll all have pictures, we will all tag each other, we will all have a lot of fun. But these 2 hours or let's say 1 hour, phone को please थोड़ा side पे. We say the same to our kids. सुनते नहीं हैं, but okay. For all those who know me, yes, there are a few clients. Unfortunately, we couldn't call a lot of clients because registration about I think 200 चली गई थी. So we are Instagramming also. We are live on Instagram. I would not like to say much about myself, but just so that you get a little bit of information on who is talking to you today. My name is Khyati. I am a dietitian by profession, 20 years of practice, and the Balanced Nutrition brand is 10 years old. Okay, we are 10 years into online nutrition. Dubai plan हो रहा था तब पता चला we have about 5,000 clients here. So yes, a little bit about me. I wanted to be a doctor. तब हम बहुत पढ़ाई करते थे. At least our generation was, पढ़ाई कर लो. Today we are a little distracted. I couldn't get through. CET थी. I was getting admission in Dhule, Harvard. Papa said no, and I also was not very keen on going there. Nutrition ले लिया, and जब ले लिया, I did my bachelor's in nutrition. I did my master's in clinical nutrition and food service management. तो मेन्यू जो प्लान किया है मैंने, प्लीज खा के मुझे बताना. It is half the calories. So it is not a salad, I promise you. It's something which also has a pizza. Okay? So you will understand how easy weight loss is. I don't want this to be a monologue, please. हम लोगों ने देखो चिट्ठियाँ पास करी हैं. अपने questions पूछो, अपने questions लिख के भेजो, because this is the only time anything under the sun you want to know about food, you want to know about a tablet, you want to know about your child, you want to know about PCOS health, please पूछो. I don't think we'll get this opportunity again, so we must make good use of this. Okay? Instagram done, out of the way. ठीक है. Let me show you how I looked before I was losing weight. I mean, when I was overweight. First one, Jubil. That was me. This was after I had finished 12th grade, and तब I think I had gone to Vaishno Devi. So that was the picture back then. And this is the picture when me and my daughter were trying the same dress. My daughter is 16. So yes, this is how we did it. You have any questions on my weight loss? I also had PCOS. I also had infertility. So when I tried conceiving, tab pata chala ki it is only IVF. So at that point in time, I think what happened was something changed. And what changed was, मुझे खुद weight loss करना पड़ेगा. Till then in Leelavati lab coat पहन के nobody bothers. You look very important. So I didn't bother. But here is what happened. You at 25, you're being told you're not going to be able to get pregnant. Anyone who's a mom and who's had a difficult pregnancy will realize. Yes.
Yeah, I have done so many treatments also. I have done IVF also, and I was the one who had very less ovum, so I had to take so many things.
Exactly. And being a dietitian in a hospital, I knew what it was. It was difficult. I lost all the weight and then I conceived Trisha. After delivery, step on the scale, 99 kilos. Okay, so this 99 kilos was a bit of a challenge because bacha bada ho raha hai. You are still battling PCOS, you still have hormonal imbalances, and बच्चे के साथ यार parties में invite होता है. You want to go out on Saturdays. I was really feeling terrible कि बाहर नहीं खाना क्या हो. What is? Hello. What does it mean कि मैं बाहर खाना नहीं खा सकती? So what I did was I started taking a chance. This Saturday we are going for Punjabi food. ठीक है. I started making notes. This is like 16-17 years back. Today, this note is become a restaurant guide, which all our clients love. That restaurant guide is a guide which has 58 plus cuisines. By Feb, it is going to be 75. So, अगर आज आप मलय खाना खाने जा रहे हो, थाई खाने जा रहे हो, या pizzas खाने जा रहे हो, you can eat it all during the diet. So, this is tried, tested, me, clients, everyone. Okay, that is what makes it easy. Now, questions from your side. The first one was about chai. है ना? Weight loss में चाय पी सकते हैं कि नहीं? Correct? Every dietitian tells you to stop chai. At Balanced Nutrition, we don't tell you that because chai is something that I couldn't do myself without. Being a Gujarati, I was always into chai khakra. Right? Tea khakra वो छूटा नहीं, आज तक नहीं छूटा है. It is tea khakra. Okay, I start the day with that. Now tell me why everybody says no chai. Because chai के साथ एक ही problem है. Khari, toast, chivda, biscuit. One yesterday in the workshop was like gathia. I'm like हाँ बस. नहीं हाँ यही बात की है. Okay, the accompaniments are a problem. Okay, जब कोई आती है ना मेरे पास तो क्या मैं कुछ नहीं, सुबह तो ब्रेकफास्ट ही नहीं करती, चाय के साथ सिर्फ 3 बिस्किट खाती हूँ, वो भी मैरी, वो डाइट वाली. What I say is कई बार दो नहीं, multiplied by एक महीने में कितना खाया? 90 बिस्किट्स guys. क्या वेट लॉस होगा? एंड देन फ्रस्ट्रेशन, डाइटिशियन बहुत खराब है मेरा. राइट, सो वी हैव द टी. ओके, विथ टी अब सवाल होगा कि हम क्या खाएं फिर. मेरे जैसे वन खाकरा खाओ, या हम बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है, ठीक है. आई इवन वेंट एंड आई सर्वेड, यू आर गेटिंग गुड डाइट खाकरा ऑल्सो. एक्स्ट्रा फैट क्यों चाहिए? सेकेंड, what I really like is one recipe we have which is called oats and kurmura chivda. Clients have made it and they really like it. So you can do everything under the sun. Tea, kitni tea pini hai? 2 cups. Okay? With sugar, without sugar? With sugar le lo yaar. You know why? I'll tell you why. Human brain, okay? अगर आज पति ने बोला no we are not going out, ठीक है, there was a plan and we had done, right? If anybody says no, the word no does not resonate with us. Okay, ठीक है, guys, केक के बारे में मत सोचना. केक नहीं खाना, केक नहीं खाना, केक नहीं खाना. Don't eat cake for a week. Guys, oh sorry, Hima, but I know You know, I know you do diet cakes also, and I'm tasting them, and I'll say yes, no. Okay, so whatever we understand as no is always a triple yes. कौन try किया है to go sugar free? Zero sugar, guys, zero sugar. How many days did you last? And on those days, how many times you thought about sugar? More than your husbands and boyfriends. Sugar, 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 sugar. Let's not use, so that's what I realized. When I was losing weight, the word no was not resonating in my head. Okay? So don't take these unnatural challenges. वो unnatural हो जाता है. We cannot have a no in our world. Correct? Now let me tell you, तो फिर करें क्या? Okay, how many of you have eaten a whole pizza? Or how many of you have eaten a big piece of pastry? Huh? And then felt guilty immediately? Nahin? Smart. But me, who was losing weight, I felt guilty all the time. Chip packet. How many of you have eaten it? After 10 minutes felt guilty, felt terrible. चलो तो एक काम करते हैं. No सुनना नहीं है. And can't have the whole thing. We follow something we call as a 2-bite rule. 2-bite rule. Okay. If Rima would have kept the samosa, I would have shown how it becomes. I would have shown वो खाते कैसे. Okay. Now 2-bite rule is, you have to reach a pinnacle of weight loss. 5 bites से शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है? I follow 2-bite. Actually, I want to go to 1 bite, but it's not happening. So what we do is, हम लोग 5 bites से शुरू करते हैं. गाठिया खाना है ना? Guys, now 5 bite is not 5 bite. पता you? It is 5 bite. 5 bite. Okay? तो चाय के साथ stirrer spoon आती है ना? That is 5 bites of the cake, not the tablespoon. पूरी केक खा लेंगे. So tip number 1. Do we have tea or coffee? We do. Do we start the day with tea and coffee? I don't think anybody who has had tea for 30, 40 years of their life will stop having it. No. Continue. Figure it out. We will do the adjustments in the later. So yes, empty stomach tea, yes, okay. Sugar wala tea, okay. What you have with it matters. Okay? Now, if there's anything wrong we are eating, हमको पता है गलत है. 5 bite, धीरे धीरे 4 bite. Okay? Believe me, you've eaten it, you're not feeling guilty. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure trip. I mean, I can't explain it. Go through it once. The fact that वो cake छूट गई हमसे and we are not feeling bad about it, it's a great deal. Okay, now I think it's time for some question answers. I would like you to write them down, please. And yes, ma'am.
Yeah, somebody told me that suppose we are having poha with tea, then tea will itself the nutrient content of poha.
Yes and no. So chai ke saath poha. Okay, that is something. Hello, hi. टी के साथ जो पोहा खाते हैं ना हम, yes, पोहा has iron and tea has components which do not let iron absorption happen. Now it's okay because if your body is deficient in any nutrient, it's very smart. Okay? वो पालक से भी कैल्शियम उठा लेगी, फिर बॉडी देखेगी नहीं कि what is wrong, why am I not getting it? It's too smart. So let's not complicate life. Let's talk about facts ना. पोहा एंड टी का छोड़ो, बट कोई इसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है कि मैंने आज फुल फैट लावने लेके आया और मैंने वो खा लिया. Nobody talks about the fact that घर में at least 2 to 3 dinners have been, which is पाव भाजी, sandwich. Nobody talks about it. वहाँ nutrient कहाँ चला गया? यहाँ you want one poha which is healthy, you want to just say no, poha nahi kha. Don't make life difficult. How to have the poha? Okay, one trick. Poha is very, very, very rich in iron. Why is it rich in iron? Is rice rich in iron? No. Poha जैसे बनता है ना, it is going through the flattening process. और वो जो flat होता है ना पोहा, वो हो रहा है iron machines में. Okay, it happens in iron machines. Machine में से iron पोहा पे लगता है. And that's how it becomes a rich source of iron, at least for a lot of women like us, जिनको iron deficiency होती है. Now, how to take that iron out and make sure that you are locking it? Best friend of iron is vitamin C. Okay? Yes. So poha पे थोड़ा lemon sprinkle करो and come to a level where अब तो प्याज और आलू छोड़ दो थोड़ा पोहा के लिए, मतलब just leave it. I'll tell you what. आपके यहाँ मटर मिल रही है, मैंने देखा. Okay? And frozen मिल जाती है. So nobody tell me यहाँ सब्जी नहीं मिलती. मैंने देखा. Every time I go to a new place, I go and find out. Client झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहे ना, Carrefour भागो, Spinneys भागो, Caraba Market भागो, right? So I can see that mutton is extremely easy. Green peas. Make a green peas and sprouts poha. Okay, you are gonna love it. A regular poha, which you eat every single day, घर में मुंह बिगड़ता है सबका. Okay, that is something around 250 calories. You will be able to eat double in 220 calories. Menu आज वही किया है मैंने. You all are going to love the menu. Okay? फिर मुझे याद करना और फिर एक DM कर देना या फिर एक shout out दे देना कि yes, you are right. Okay? हरा भरा कबाब से जिंदगी मतलब चल जाएगी. You will live. Okay? Now I'll put these questions, but yes, ma'am.
So that's it. So with tea in the morning, can we not replace biscuits and other things with dates or nuts?
Now, that's a very, very nice question. Dates and nuts, okay, are they healthy? 110%. But if you are looking to lose weight, should you have them?
Soak them and have. You can soak it and have.
Okay, one says we can soak it and have
You can have it in
moderate quantities,
whenever we feel hungry, we can take
a handful.
dry fruits,
Okay. Remember, the goal is the person is in a weight loss journey, not maintenance. Weight loss journey. Now, I can tell you, anybody who's fat, at least me and at least the people who I have met, यार हमको ना खाना चाहिए. Like yesterday, I told my clients who had come to meet me, पूरा दिन कुछ खाया नहीं है. I really need दाल चावल. I need volume. I mentally, I'm still somebody who is fat, who eats like a fat person. Now, a fat person needs food. Do you understand? Are you relating to this? Yes. Can you relate to it? Right? So now, if you tell me, मैं 8 almonds खाऊं, guys, I'm going to be hungry. अभी अगर ये situation है दुबई वाली हाल, when we are 16, 17 hours, we are busy, guys, I'm going to feel hungry in half an hour. So what happened was, इतनी सी खाई मैंने, it is rich in fat, okay? It did not do anything because volume नहीं था खाने का. I would rather eat a big bowl of सूखा भेल, or I would eat a very big bowl of watermelon. Watermelon is rich in iron. उसमें क्या डालेंगे ये iron absorption के लिए? तो अगर craving हो रही है sweet and sour की, that is my best friend. Okay? If I want to eat something sweet, I will go for grapes जो हमारे यहाँ फिलहाल बहुत अच्छी मिल रही है. Right? I will go for foods which are high in volume. So are nuts healthy? 100%. But nuts are high in fat. Are dates healthy? चलो आज nuts और dry fruits की confusion हटा ही देते हैं. हम लोग gift करते हैं dry fruits, but वो gift में आता है पिस्ता, बादाम. Guys, that's not a dry fruit. A dry fruit is a fruit that is dried. अंजीर को dry किया हमने. Correct? So खजूर is a date which is a fresh, very very succulent date जिसको dry कर दिया. Apricot, kishmish, they are all dried fruit. They are zero fat. Yes, they are zero fat. Yeah, cool ना. घर जाके आज अंजीर बर्फी तो बन गई. Sorry to disappoint. They are very high in sugar. Okay, they are. See, I'm not saying मत खाओ. I'm saying remember. तुम देखो खाना और तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए what that is. What is it? Okay, so अंजीर is good 100%. But is Anjeer Barfi and eating it like crazy good? No. Right? Again, remember that. मैं रोज 4 बादाम खाती हूँ, 2 खजूर खाती हूँ, 3 अंजीर खाती हूँ. Very good. Multiply by 30. महीने में कितना खा गए यार? That was not required, honestly. Okay? So make sure that you understand, and you all are all very smart. Just understand how much and how often. Are nuts rich in cholesterol? ये मैं 5वीं बार बोल रही हूँ. Nuts have cholesterol, ना boss? हाँ ना? अगर किसी ने सही जवाब दिया, उनको आज एक गिफ्ट है. Nuts are rich in cholesterol. हाँ? Cashew nut is ना, हाँ बेचारा cashew मेरा favorite है उसे. It's not. Guys, degree. Should I show my degree? है क्या PPT में? Don't. I'm not crazy. But nuts have 0 cholesterol. This is, I think, the 5th time. I think जो रोज सुन रहे हो मुझे पक गए होंगे. But you all are a new batch. So nuts have 0 cholesterol. Yeah. If anybody who is seeing a phone, they're paying for the catering today. Chalo. Why? Okay. Nuts are coming from plants. Okay. Anything that is coming from a plant is 0 cholesterol. Yep. I'm coming to the part 2. 0 cholesterol. Okay. Olives, 0 cholesterol. Plant se aaya. Is dahi. Does dahi have cholesterol? It is coming from animal milk. No, I'm not saying that cholesterol is bad. Right? I'm just educating you on nuts don't have cholesterol. तो जो oil खरीद रहा है ना अभी, जो बात कर रहा है वो भी आज बिल भरने वाला है. Yes, I'm clarifying this for you. Understand it in detail. जिस भी चीज से ऑयल निकल रहा है, आपकी ब्लड रिपोर्ट पता है कोलेस्ट्रॉल, LDL, ट्राइग्लिसराइड, VLA. The LDL, the triglycerides tells me about your oil consumptions, plant fat consumptions. So they are high in fatty acids. Remember, cholesterol is different, fats are different. So if anybody is fooling you tomorrow कि ये काजू कोलेस्ट्रॉल फ्री है, नहीं, उसने जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाई करके उगाए नहीं है. They are naturally cholesterol free. Okay, they are rich in fat. Period. Plant fat. Correct? Now let's talk about cholesterol. By definition, by nature, nature has made it that way. Cholesterol exists only in animal and animal products. Chicken, yes. Mutton, yes. Kaju katri. No. Kaju katri by definition is made using kaju and shankar only. Okay, what they put to grease the thali is not your ghee, they may say so. It is vanaspati ghee. It is dalda. What is dalda? What is vanaspati ghee? It is oil which is hydrogenated. किसी को पसंद नहीं था घर में डालना, right? Why do we say so? Because it is the dirtiest form. उससे trans fat पड़ता है. Yeah, biscuits में trans fats होते हैं, cookies में trans fats होते हैं. Most of the cakes that you buy off the shelf, trans fats. Right? Now I hope this is clear. Dry fruits, 0. I can sell it to you. Okay? 0 fat. चलो पैसा दे दो. Oh, good, I'm eating 0 fat. No, and then why has my scale gone up? It's gone up because it is high in calories and sugar is coming. Remember that. I'm not saying ban karo khana. Okay? Just a bit of education. Right? Because at Balanced Nutrition, we don't want clients to be with us all their lives. They have to be educated. They have to be on their own. They should understand the concept of healthy eating. तो ये हो गई हमारी कोलेस्ट्रॉल वाली बात. इसीलिए दही में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, छाछ में भी है, पर बंद मत कर देना. I just wanted you to be educated. Okay? Right? Perfect. Now, these questions, but if anybody else has more, please write. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Kathy. It's a pleasure meeting you. I am part of Balanced Nutrition for the last 10 days. Thank you. And it was my pleasure to come and see.
Oh, nice. What's your name?
My name is Sangabitra. I'm a child.
That's right. How have the 10 days gone?
I have lost 3.5 kilos.
I have only got water fast, right?
No, I am on plateau grade.
What did you eat?
I have been eating everything, and believe me, it's not fasting. I had till now in the morning today, I started with dhania and coriander water. Then I had a small fruit, which was a small banana. And then I reached office, I had a boiled egg upma, which I adore, and a black coffee. And water, of course.
Wow.
So it's not fasting, it's pleasure eating actually, and clean eating. And I'm enjoying it.
And in 10 days, how much have you lost?
3.5. I hope I can maintain and go till my target. Thanks to you.
Thank you so much, Charu, your client. So we have a team of dietitians. Yes. Charu is on the phone. The team is watching it because there are a lot of clients here, and unfortunately our mentors could not come. We have a team of about 45 dietitians. Yes, and all of them are extremely old in the company. They're young girls, but they're very, very old. So the company, Balanced Nutrition, is 10 years old, and the head nutritionists are 9 years old. So everybody loves them. And now I think we should hear Aditi. Thank you. And I'm going to see. Thank you so much. So Aditi is, I think you all know her. Aditi is, okay, Sawal, please let them come. Aditi was somebody I met in my first Dubai trip 10 years back, 7 years back. Aja. Tea allowed hai? Come. So Aditi can tell us her journey.
Thank you. So, thank you, Khyati, for inviting me here. So, as she told you, she's wonderful. Why? Because I also lost weight 2 times.
Yes.
So, first, as she said, Balanced Nutrition is 10 years old. I am her 10 years old client.
She's one of our oldest clients in Dubai.
So, when I was pregnant, I 25 kgs, 25 kgs I gained. So before pregnancy I was 54 and then 74. Once my baby was out, I was 70 because baby bahar aa gaya sab kuch. Then I was in search. मैं भी सीखी हूँ लेकिन बस सीखी हूँ. Application is important. You need mentors. You need someone to motivate you. So then I was in search, and first name I came across Khyati, Balanced Nutrition. And her mentors are superb. Because we know everything, right? We know everything. But we don't know, हम लोग चालू करते हैं 4 दिन, 5 दिन, 6 दिन, next, okay, ये खा लेती हूँ, वो खा लेती हूँ. But you need constant motivation, and that her mentors does to, your clients. Then I came to 65, plateau आ गया, depression, अरे नहीं जा रहा है. Again, 60 पे आ गई, फिर 62 पे आ गई, again 60 पे आ गई, yes. And then 58 पे आ गई, and I stopped because ऐसे लगा achieve कर लिया कुछ. But journey doesn't stop there. मैंने मेरा okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा technical है, जहाँ पे you look slim, but are you fit? That is important. I sent my BCA report to her, and she's like, "What is this?" Because my visceral fat and fat percentage was
38.
38. Yeah.
And somebody who's lost weight.
Yeah.
Somebody who is fit. Somebody who teaches yoga. And she said, "Khyati, मेरे से yoga नहीं लिया जा रहा है."
मतलब ऐसा था कि योगा मैं कर रही थी. I was doing that. किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, लेकिन मुझे समझ में आ रहा था. That is more important. क्योंकि people आपको praise करेंगे ही करेंगे. That I know. But what you feel for yourself, that is more important. And बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे, अरे तेरे को क्या जरूरत है, तेरे क्या जरूरत है. लेकिन I know जरूरत है, because in long run it will help you to keep you fit. Yes, my protein was, I think, negligible. My weight 58, but protein negligible. My fat content was more. I don't have any health issues, but हो सकते हैं आगे जाके, because that is the journey, towards bad health. Then again wake up call. And now again I started my journey on specifically, that points. Fat content कम करना है, toning करना है, everything. And then her data came into pictures. And again I lost 6.5 kg and overall 9 kgs. So now I'm at 54, the pre-pregnancy weight. With
नहीं एज बता देना प्लीज.
अरे guess कर दे दो. Oh my God, you made my day. I'm 38 years old. I have 8 years old daughter. 3 months. So this is my journey and I'm still on. रुका नहीं है. It's 2 महीने का break था ना, 2 महीने का break था, but because of her education, I could maintain my weight and now I'll start again. Thank you so much, Happy.
Thank you, Aditi. Now, some important questions which you all have asked me, and chits can keep coming. Is belly fat easy to lose? How many of you say yes? Yeah, it is. Now, I'll tell you what. In UAE and all over the world, people think that they can lose fat from parts of your body. Okay? Oh, my hips are huge. Oh, my thighs are huge. Oh, my stomach is huge. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. आप नहीं कर सकते. जो भी आपको बोल रहा है ना, ये उल्लू बना रहा है. Okay? Let me make it very, very clear. There are certain things which ना वो मेरी social media team बड़ी upset हो जाती है कि आप hook दो, आप थोड़ा ऐसे बात करो कि it really makes some impact, but no, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं है. You can't lose fat from specific areas. Now, you can do lipo, yeah, but again, it will come back if you've not followed your diets, if you have not been careful. Thank you. If you have not been careful. So, ये बात अलग है कि belly fat होगा कि नहीं होगा. My waistline had reached 41. And today, mentally, I still try L first, okay? But now it is jumping between SM, SM. So 16 years of, after tissue, so about 16 years से try करके, this is where we stand. And now the battle of 40 plus, 42. So at 42, 41, I'm sure आपको पता है कि fat again starts occurring, वापस आता है. So again, what we have to do is just like what Aditi did. थोड़ा सा advanced if you've lost weight. अगर नहीं किया तो yes. Now, does that mean you will never lose belly fat? 110% I tell you, you will lose it. Okay? Body is again very intelligent. Very intelligent. It will make you lose fat again from areas it is maximum. Women का maximum fat कहाँ होता है? आपको लगता है यहाँ? क्योंकि cavity है ना यहाँ पे. There's no bone. So it all settles here. सबसे ज़्यादा fat कहाँ होता है guys? Yeah, your entire back, your area under the arms up until the lungs, the percentage of fat is the highest there. So इसीलिए ना सबसे पहला कमेंट आएगा, यार मैं अपर बॉडी से लूज कर रही हूँ, लोअर बॉडी का क्या होगा? It'll happen, and you will be able to lose belly fat. कोई special diet है उसके लिए? नहीं. Any special food, supplement, capsule for it? नहीं. If there was a capsule, I would have taken 10 years to study, do internship, work, come, do assessments, talk to people. ये नहीं हो सकता. But yes, correct? Yes, guys, are we making sense? ये मजा आ रहा है? Yeah, everybody is on toes, interested. Okay, otherwise what we'll do, play game. With insulin resistance, what do you recommend? Okay, insulin resistance is, I think सबने सुना है ये डायबिटीज की शुरुआत है और ये आज बहुत हो रही है. You'll be surprised, the maximum amount of children, we have children also as clients. सबसे ज़्यादा children आ रहे हैं दुबई से with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. सबसे ज़्यादा, I won't say Dubai, I'll say UAE. Okay, they are from Sharjah, they are from Abu Dhabi, and they are Indian kids, Pakistani kids, Sri Lankan kids. So सबसे ज़्यादा यहीं से आ रहा है. Now coming back to हमारी insulin resistance, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस के लिए हम सब ब्लेम करते हैं कार्ब्स को. क्या ये क्योर हो सकती है? नहीं गाइस, ये क्योर नहीं हो सकती. कोलेस्ट्रॉल का क्योर नहीं हो सकता. इंसुलिन, डायबिटीज, थायराइड क्योर नहीं है, बट यू कैन मैनेज इट. मैनेज करके उसे रिवर्स करो. क्या मेरा PCOS क्योर हो गया? हैव आई क्योर्ड माई सेल्फ ऑफ PCOS? नो नो नो, आई हैवंट. I will always be at risk. ठीक है? So endometriosis, you then again doctor कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. You have to be able to eat right. No, I never say eat right. I say eat smart. Smartly खाओ, right? We have clients. They were eating everything. They're doing everything. Be smart about it. Now, can insulin resistance will it have an impact अगर आप हाई कार्ब्स खाते हो तो? नहीं गाइस, हम लोग कार्ब्स खा के ही बड़े हुए हैं. लेकिन हम कौन से कार्ब्स खाते थे पता है? हम लोग खाते थे भाकरी, हम लोग खाते थे सीजनल बाजरा की रोटी, हम लोग खाते थे जवार, रागी. The whole world is talking about gluten free. India was gluten free since 100 years plus plus plus. The first sign of ragi is 300 years old when it was growing. So we want to make money out of you. So the firm companies. So what we will do is हम लोग बोलेंगे but हम gluten free ही थे. What we have done is gluten भी क्या बुरा है? नहीं. क्या बुरा है पता है? मैदा, the pasta. You don't even realize. मुझे अपनी weekly menu बताना और फिर मैं बताऊंगी कितनी बार ब्रेड आया, कितनी बार पास्ता आया. You didn't even know it. कितनी बार नूडल्स ऑर्डर कर लिए. You have no idea. पीता ओके नहीं मेरे को वो रेगुलर वाइट वाला पीता. खूब्स खा लो यार, खूब्स इज लॉट मोर हेल्थियर, राइट? यू डोंट नो क्रैकर्स, यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ मच मैदा इज कमिंग. फिर तुम इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस होंगे 100%, फिर डायबिटीज होगी 100%. बट क्या दाल चावल खाने से डायबिटीज होगी? रोटी सब्जी खाने से डायबिटीज होगी? नो. और एक आलू की बात आज खत्म ही करते हैं. हाँ प्लीज, आलू is not sabzi yaar. Please. Eat a Western menu. How are you served it? Grilled chicken, grilled tofu, over some sauce. Okay. They will ask you, rice चाहिए या mashed potato चाहिए? हम बोलेंगे दोनों ले आओ. And then हम लोग का पैसा भी देंगे. It's okay, you charge me extra, but I need my mashed potato. No, they will tell you either fries or rice or mashed potato, and then यूरोप जाओ they will give you a look कि क्या ऑर्डर कर रही है ये. क्योंकि हम बोलेंगे वेजिटेबल कम करो थोड़ा ही, कौन खाएगा वो ब्रोकली? नो. सो दैट इज हाउ योर डाइट हैज टू बी. आलू, एक मिनट, आलू सब्जी बना लो तब तक ठीक है. बड़ा सैंडविच में भी, पराठे में भी, हर जगह आलू 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 आलू. एंड आइसिंग ऑन द केक, आलू विद केचप. खत्म हो गई बात. Okay, that is insulin resistance. Is aloo paratha good? Yeah, okay, but you are having double carb. Just remember. In the diets of balanced nutrition, we just say, yeah, roti khao ya rice khao. Roti, sabzi, dal, rice, nahi khao. Try one, okay? And I'm not saying aadhi roti khao. You have left your rice, eat 3 rotis. It's either rice or roti. So guys, and aloo is also a cereal. Forget the technical part of it, forget definition science. Science ये कहता है, corn also. Corn salad खा के कौन खुश होता है यहाँ पे? नहीं यार, corn is again a grain, उसकी रोटी भी बनती है ना. So corn is also a carb. It is a simple carb. These aloo and corn are confused, but look at what they're doing to us now. हमारी जिंदगी देखो आलू आलू हो गई. So now, if you tell me for weight loss, okay, आलू better. हाँ, आलू better है या राइस? राइस? Anyone rice? Rice better. आलू? अच्छा, confusion है मतलब. Let's clear the confusion. 100 grams of aloo. I should have got my portion, कटोरा सा. 100 grams of aloo boil करके रखोगे ना, it's this much, which is about 120 calories. Now, the same amount if you want to eat rice, you'll have to eat 35 grams of rice. So भूख, 35 grams of rice you give me, I'll say what is wrong. Okay, so if somebody tells you is potato is good for weight loss, they mean this. They mean rice हटाओ, रोटी हटाओ और potato ले आओ. Cool? तो आलू की आज हो गई बात भाई, ठीक है ना? Try as much as possible. I'm not saying कल के कल घर change हो जाएगा. As much as possible. पाव भाजी, carbs. Pav vada, carbs. Then we will become the diabetic capital of the world. Of course. Fatty liver बहुत हो रहा है. Everybody is listening and talking about fatty liver. Fatty liver fat से नहीं हो रहा है. Sweet potato is it's like a story you are asking me for honey and sugar. Sweet potato is healthier, yes, but calorie wise it's not doing any difference. उसको फ्राई करके खाया तो आप पतले हो जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं है. You will use it the same way you use your potato. One more now. Who is using honey instead of sugar? गुड़, दाल में तो गुड़ डाल रहे हैं हम, शुगर डाल ही नहीं रहे. Honey, sugar, maple syrup, organic honey, brown sugar, organic sugar, all of them have the same calories. Everything. So अपने आप को मत बोलो कि गुड़ डाला है. That's why I said शक्कर वाली चाय पी लो. Get rid of it. I'm done. Okay. I'm dealing with half a teaspoon in the morning, half a teaspoon in the evening. I'm done. So then this whole chakkar of मैं शक्कर नहीं ले रही हूँ and I'm going to treat myself. नहीं. Have that shakkar and finish it off. Okay. हाँ? Powder क्या हो? Powder हो, piece हो. Sorry, it's the same. It will give you those many calories. It will give you those. Are we getting bored?
No.
Are we good? Perfect. Okay. So.
We are not sorry.
हाँ.
So I'm not eating potato. If I'm using a raw banana.
Same. Family is the same.
It will also have the
Yep, it has the same calories. Root vegetable है. The sweet potatoes, suran, potatoes.
raw banana.
हाँ. Yes, the same starch. Weight loss में बहुत सारी dietitians बनाना मना करती है. Okay, it tends to have a little more sugar. But for us, fruits जब तक कोई खा रहा है, thank you very much, हम पे मेहरबानी. खाते कब वो fruit? When was the last time somebody actually remembered to eat 3 fruits in a day? Oh, lovely. How nice. Chalo, good. 2 to 3 fruits in a day. Wow. Sorry, then I am a bad example because in the last 3 days when I've come here, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Right? Let me get to your questions. 1 second. Is losing weight after menopause difficult? Is losing weight after 40 difficult now? No, it's not. Yes, hormones will trouble, mood will trouble, but aren't we educated? पहले पता है, पहले नहीं अभी भी. Why do you think सास and बहू fight? Trust me, there's science. सास बहू क्यों लड़ती है? Why? एक menopause कर रही है, एक PMS कर रही है. Trust me, we are educated now. Okay, so I also tell my mom, मम्मी जो menopause चल रहा है तो शांत रहे थोड़ी. It's education. You can't go. It was पहले that all this was happening. Now PMS हमको education है. अगर पता है PMS कर रहे हो तो यार क्यों? Why do you then want to go ahead and eat that whole pastry knowing that it is just some symptom which is the body symptom? Correct? That is the education we give. Menopause चल रहा है, hot flash होने वाली है यार. देखो ये पहले कर लेना चाहिए था. Health management पहले कर लेनी चाहिए थी. I mean now it's a little late, but is it reversible? Can you age gracefully? 110%. 110% it will happen. Will you have to leave your favorite foods? No. It is just, see, everyone who came, I think the clients who came, they said motivation and mental support. That's what it is. And हम तो Superman है भाई. We want our work life to be superb. We want the kitchen to be spick and span. We want our kids to be topping. We want to dress well. We want to look good. We want to attend parties. And we want to look like Kareena Kapoor. I mean, just example. Now imagine what you're doing to yourself, yaar. नहीं वो आज कपड़े उठाए हैं, छोड़ो. Take care of yourself. Don't go crazy and wacko about it. You know, we go wacko. क्यों यार? Take care of yourself. Cook that dinner that you were supposed to cook. छोड़ो, कपड़े तो उठ जाएंगे. And हमको लगता है पति और बच्चों को हमारी जरूरत है. I swear, 3 days, my house. I am calling them. अरे क्या क्यों फोन किया? सब ठीक है? You focus on work. So no, that's really, I'm telling you, and they are doing well, nice. खाना मिल गया, exam दे दी, everything went well. So this is the most important reason why after 40 you're not losing weight, and why after menopause you're not losing weight, because we are focusing on different areas than our own self. And now एक बात बताऊं, हमको guilty feel होता है. How many of you, I don't know, as a society, don't we women feel guilty, Rima, कि मैं बच्चे का नहीं करके मेरा क्यों कर रही हूँ पहले? We are programmed to be that way. Okay, ऐसे कुछ बोलना है ना कि मुझे कुछ अपना शुरू करना है. Why? पति का डाइट चार्ट फ्रिज पे, बच्चे का डाइट चार्ट फोन में, फ्रिज में, बच्चे की मेडिसिन. Why? Yours in the dustbin. And हाँ, we also are dustbins only ना. बच्चे का खाना बच गया, I am eating. Okay, oh God, ये क्यों फेंक दे? No, you know how I started losing weight. I'm one of you only. Okay, and my mom will say, you know, anybody who's listening in my family will say, तू भी तो ये थी. 100% I was that. We are programmed that way. What worked for me was, पहले ख्याति का जो मेन्यू है ना, वो क्या है, वो डिसाइड होके पहले वो पेपर पे जाता है in the morning. After that the branch out happens. Okay, पति ये खाएगा, बच्चा ये खाएगा. हम उल्टा करते हैं. हम पहले बच्चे का देखेंगे. Then it goes all wrong. You know, I'm not saying don't deal with them nicely, but if you start the menu to be healthy, we have amazing sandwiches. I'm meeting so many clients. मुझे recipes की बहुत सारी compliments आ रही है. We have sprout sandwich. Every child is loving it. Okay, we have sprout tofu soup. We have chicken tikka sandwich. Everybody is loving it in the house. So ये compliment तो आती ही रहती है कि पूरा घर वही खा रहा है. We have even pizzas in the diet. Okay, so don't make it too complicated. ठीक? So yes, menopause. Yes, after 40 we can. Okay. What type of food can we have during fast? साबूदाना and राजगीरा आटा. Fast तो हमारे लिए feast है. साबूदाना and मेरे यहाँ तो भाई नहीं. Oh yes, today it is a fast. राजगीरा की पूरी बनेगी. And you know, it is Agyaras is like a festival in the house. Right. Now during your fast, I really want all of you to start trying one millet. It is sama chawal. Gluten free, healthy, has good amount of iron. Sama की खिचड़ी बना लो, okay? And उसके साथ एक कड़ी बनाओ. Sama is a carb. Please don't tell me sama के साथ आलू खाऊंगी. No, make a nice curry, okay? And in that curry, add a little bit of groundnut. Even though I know groundnut is, remember that it's high fat. तो थोड़ा कम डालो. But एक अच्छी सी छाछ वाली कड़ी बनाओ. And during the day, that is my fruit day bag. Okay, apple, papaya. I am very happy eating fruits. And रात को, depending अब हमारे यहाँ ठंड मतलब क्या 29 degrees is ठंड. So रात को I really like enjoying a smoothie. दही वाली and fruit वाली. Okay, Ayurveda says fruit and dahi mix nahi karna. My problem is we are not Ayurveda experts. We are trained in modern nutrition science. So yes, we are trained in modern nutrition science. So in modern nutrition science, we do not follow Ayurveda. So even if it is true, we have been doing it for years. Right? What is the time?
20 minutes.
what time do you want me to stop talking? 12? 20 minutes? You're not eating the pizza? Nice meeting you. Green tea and nuts. Nice. Bye-bye. See you. Thank you. Fatty liver I spoke, right? Fatty liver fat से नहीं होगा, simple carb से. Is it reversible? 100%. Grade 4 has become grade 1 and now no fatty liver. Can we take tomato and ginger? Inflammation. Shall we talk about inflammation? Yo. पूरी दुनिया. Now what is inflammation? Guys, हम गिर गए, हमको लग गई. Okay, वो inflammation है. I learned it in the first year of my nutrition. Now, there are two types of inflammation, जो दिखता है और जो नहीं दिखता. जो inflammation नहीं दिखता, that is the inflamed response of the body जब thyroid function ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, जब liver function ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, जब hormones age की वजह से, weight की वजह से ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं. That is inflammation, and I know it since the first year of my study. I've been dealing with inflammation throughout, because if somebody is coming with a problem, there is inflammation. अब एक विद्या बालन ने उसे बोल दिया, तो हम लोगों को एक बहाना मिल गया. Let me say, I think I have inflammation. Exercise, मुझसे weight नहीं, सब होगा. Okay, so inflammation is scientifically only your body's response. क्या हमारी डाइट एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी है? हाँ, पहले से है. नीमा, अदिति, इन्होंने सबने एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी डाइट से करी थी. अभी एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी क्या है? जिंजर इज एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी. You may get you will say मुझे टमाटर से एसिडिटी होती है, मुझे इससे एसिडिटी होती है. वो पूरे दिन की डाइट देखनी पड़ेगी. If the entire day is messed up, you will start blaming the ginger or you will start blaming the tomato. Nobody will blame the Maggi but. उससे कुछ नहीं होता किसी को. So be true to yourselves ना, कि हाँ भाई अभी खा लिया, इसकी वजह से हो रहा है, not with something healthy. How good are eggs and how many to have? Proteins. Proteins की बात. Anybody? Shall we take protein as a topic? High protein की चक्कर चल रही है. I think we covered it in the podcast too, but let me, now that I have people in front of me, guys, we as a race, let's see, the world is Europe, the world is Africa, the world is the Indian subcontinent, the world is people living, so we are a race. So our race, okay, the Indian subcontinent, we were always a carb-eating population. We were farmers, we were workers, we were shorter, we were brown. This is how we were. हम लोग ऐसे ही थे. हम लोग best carbs ही digest करते हैं. जो मैंने बोला, हमने क्या किया? We have modernized our carbs. मत करो modernize. Now comes protein. कौन protein powder चालू किया, Greek yogurt चालू किया, और पेट में. How many of you are somebody who started thinking कि नहीं मैं high protein करती हूँ? No one? Okay. So lot of people have started hearing Instagram reels and every menopausal woman has to have 30 gram protein per meal. And they're taking Greek yogurt, they're buying supplements, and then in 2 days they're leaving it because bloating हो गई, constipation हो गया. Guys, अगर मैं आप लोगों का diet लूँ ना सबका और calculate कर लूँ, nobody is, even a non-vegetarian. A vegetarian is 20 to 25 grams protein. A non-vegetarian who eats eggs and chicken and everything regularly is 40 to 45 grams only. तुम्हारी requirement है 65, 70 grams. This is how we have been. Okay? This is how we were. Things have got worse because of the packaged food influx. Because of the maida, not because you were not having protein. So as a dietitian who belongs to India, who belongs to the Indian subcontinent, I want to first correct आपकी diet का fiber. अब juice पीते हो यार, fruit खाओ. So fiber is a must. Gut health बोलो जो भी बोलो. Simplest way to start, धीरे धीरे. पहले fiber ठीक करो. Fiber ठीक नहीं करोगे, protein का कुछ नहीं होगा. Have rotis which are millets. Have rice which is unpolished, have sabzis, have salads, have sauté vegetables. पहले वो खत्म करो. Once that is done, start with दाल plus दही. Double protein एक meal में start with chicken plus raita. Rajma plus curry. Okay, so that's how you will eat your double protein. Okay, paneer pulao plus raita, curry, double protein. Correct? Chana pulao plus buttermilk. Start slow. Double protein इसे कहते हैं. Okay, and आलू पराठा का substitute is सत्तू का पराठा. Have सत्तू का पराठा. So at least सुबह सुबह प्रोटीन चली गई. Ketchup. What are the substitutes for ketchup? इमली की चटनी. है ना? Everybody says खजूर में कैलोरीज है, नहीं चटनी नहीं ले सकते. केचप ले सकते हो. केचप में इतने इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जो आपको पता भी नहीं है. Try reading those ingredients. You won't even know. Correct? Right? Yes, ma'am. You अच्छा डार्क चॉकलेट. ओह हाँ, डार्क चॉकलेट गिल्ट फ्री खाते हैं ना हम. ओके, डार्क चॉकलेट, the one that is healthy is not edible. She's okay? Perfect. Okay. You're okay? Okay. So dark chocolate जो healthy है वो हम खा नहीं पाएंगे कभी. Okay. वो डार्क चॉकलेट जो आपके पैकेट में आती है ना, that is with a lot of milk solids, with a lot of fat. शक्कर थोड़ी कम होगी बट फैट ज्यादा है because it is supposed to be palatable. नहीं तो खा ही नहीं पाओगे. तो पैकेट वाली डार्क चॉकलेट को मत समझना कि अच्छी है. मिल्क चॉकलेट, डार्क चॉकलेट की कैलोरीज एंड फैट पढ़ लेना. ओके. हाँ, लाइफ इज हार्ड बट फॉर मी आई थिंक लाइफ इज इजी. मीठा खाना है ना तो जाके मीठा खा लो. इस शुगर फ्री के चक्कर में मत पड़ो. शुगर फ्री के नाम पे डिड दे से इट्स कैलोरी फ्री? Did they say it's fat free? No, na. Sugar free foods are higher in calorie than your regular khana. Same with fat free and low fat. Duh. Ullu bana rahe hain. Yes. Yes.
So I had to completely stop dairy, everything. So now without dietitian and every dietitian recommends for weight loss you have to have protein.
Yes.
So how do I
You will do vegan.
so I can't have soya, everything?
Yes. What we will do is we will have vegan. You will be surprised. Again, I had done this in the podcast yesterday. Indian food, okay, by itself is naturally something which can be called as class 1 high protein. हम इडली सांबर खाते हैं. इडली कैसे बनाते हैं? The traditional recipe, 3 parts of rice, 1 part of dal. Then there is sambar, there is vegetable. It is the most nutritious, vegan, complete protein meal. Same as with your khichdi. Yeah, it is. And soya nahi kha sakte, there's no issues. We have sprouts, we have pulses. Whoever says dal is not rich in protein wants to sell you something else and confuse you.
We are eating all clean food, home cooked food, no frozen, no packets, and all 3 meals are healthy. Do we still need to have supplements?
So, frozen foods के बारे में बता दूं. Lot of you think frozen is unhealthy. Frozen pizza is unhealthy. Okay, frozen spring roll samosa is unhealthy. But frozen vegetables, okay, frozen. What I do is मैं ना पूरे हफ्ते की pulses जैसे चना हुआ, मूंग हुआ, मटकी हुआ, राजमा हुआ, मैं उसको भिगा देती हूँ overnight and I freeze it. So the whole week, then there is no झंझट of आज राजमा बनाना था but राजमा भिगाने का भूल गया कुक ने. So this freezing is the most healthy. Freezing is the most healthy thing. Same with tomatoes. Okay, pasta खाना है suppose मेरे घर में बनता है. It is 50% vegetables, 50% durum wheat, whole wheat pasta and red sauce only. Okay, तो red sauce भी frozen मिलेगी मेरे घर पे. You will find it because I don't want when my daughter's friends come either they order or they eat junk. So pasta available है भाई मेरे घर पे, and I also boil vegetables and I freeze them. They are healthy, nutrition loss नहीं होता, nothing happens. Now you said, do we still need supplements? This question I can answer only when I see your whole diet. Clean eating तो रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल भी है, but is it the most ideal for you at your age, with your weight, with your goal? We don't know. तो वो जो what we do is we call it the recall. हम लोग एक recall लेते हैं कि भाई क्या खाते हैं 3 दिन, what have they eaten, and then we figure out that yes, possibility है कि यहाँ B vitamins की कमी होगी. And whenever I hear supplementation, मुझे थोड़ा डर लगने लगता है, because everything is available today, no, omega-3, it's so inviting, है ना, एक tablet खा लो, magnesium done. Honestly, as a dietitian from India, even though I've done my masters in clinical nutrition, मुझे सिखाया नहीं था, wasn't in my portion to recommend supplementation. I don't do it. Nobody in balanced nutrition will ever do it. Till we have some certification available for us, I will go ahead and I'll be the first person, all 45 of us, and I will do the course. But हम नहीं दे सकते. So if some trainer is giving you a recommendation, some dietitian, यहाँ I don't know the degrees here, but if they do, please पूछो. Does your degree education allow you? Instagram पे so many of you, I don't know, there was, I must say, IWD में एक मेरी ही feed पे there was a comment on somebody being very unhappy with the way a dietitian was, doing her program. Guys, but isn't it our responsibility? Why are we not checking qualification? Why? एक रील आ गई बस कल से वो फॉलो करनी है हमें. What is the qualification? I always introduce myself even after 20 years of practice कि this is my qualification. You have to be very clear about who you follow. So we don't blame anyone else. We blame ourselves. तुम shortcut ढूंढ रहे थे, तुम्हें जल्दी थी. Okay, so supplementation as far as possible we avoid. And if we need supplementation, I'll say go to a doctor. I think you need a D3 or a B12. He will recommend it to you. That's the right way, guys. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Right. Shall I make life very simple for us? Very simple. Buy regular milk. Okay. One option is buy full fat. Boil it. रात को boil करो. In the morning there's cream. Take that cream out. Use it. Then again put it back in the fridge. When you're using it second time, remove the second cream. And with that cream, make makhan instead of ghee. Makhan is something which is high in water. It is salt free. And it is a healthier spread than making ghee. So easy peasy life. Oat milk is not my favorite because grain से अगर दूध बन रहा है तो यार उसकी GI बढ़ जाती है and there's a lot of mess. Nut milk, हाँ lactose intolerant हो तो शायद ले सकते हो, but it's not going to do any चार चांद नहीं लगने वाले आपकी health को. So go simple. And yes, if you don't have time to boil choy, go for skim milk. Don't go for milk which is zero fat. Milk powder also, both are good. I am happy using whole fat milk powder and skim. Okay, milk में ही आपका vitamin A, D, E, K है. Yes, ma'am. Visceral fat. Basically, I think to those who don't know, every organ in your body which is important, kidney, heart, your lungs, your liver, वहाँ पे ना कोटिंग, हम लोग साड़ी को कैसे कवर पहनाते हैं, वैसे बॉडी ने ना एक कवर पहनाया है ऑफ लेयर ऑफ फैट. दैट इज प्रोटेक्टिव. हम गिर गए, इट्स अ पैडिंग. ओके, हाँ. नाउ इफ दैट फैट इंक्रीजेस, हिमा आजा भाई, सॉरी. If that fat increases, that is visceral fat is high. That is the, yes. Yes. पहले तो एज इंडियन हमारी मेटाबॉलिज्म की तो अभी छोड़ो, माइन तो आई सी केक एंड आई मे बी पुटिंग ऑन वेट. सो आवर मेटाबॉलिज्म वाज ऑलवेज अ लिटिल लैक्स्ड. व्हाट डू वी डू टू ensure our metabolism is great, please start walking more. Okay? And second is, yes, supplements help, but my favorite are haldi, my favorite are methi, cinnamon, my favorite are elaichi, my favorite is dhania. All these speed up the burning of fat, but with clean eating. तो सुबह सुबह cinnamon tea पी के, फिर अगर आपने breakfast में थेपला खा लिया, which was गरम गरम तवे से निकला हुआ oily, तो कुछ नहीं होगा, right? If I have to show you a few transformations, while they are on here, I'll call Hima. Okay? Yes. That is, now I'm traveling, I can't lose weight, I don't have access to home food. This man did not eat a single meal at home. He is India, UK and GCC के sales head and operations head of a company. Okay, इनका diet कैसे बनता है? Today I'm traveling to Singapore. After 3 days, 72 hours, I will be in US. After 36 hours, I'm flying back to Bangalore for 2 days. After that, I will be for 7 days in Seattle. This used to be his diet. Okay, which flight are you in? ये flight में ये order कर दो. Which hotel are you staying in? Are your meals with yourself or are your meals a business meal? Business meal में कहाँ जाने वाले? You're going to eat Italian? Okay, ये खा लो. That's his result. He is zero cholesterol now. He is free from diabetes. He is not on any medication. This is since 5 years now. Next. She is Khyati Pandit, a lawyer by profession and staying in a joint family. तो जो भी बोलता है ना, I can't cook separately. She is a shining example of that. She was eating her lunch out every single day. Next. His challenge was, मैं supplement नहीं लूँगा और मैं non-veg नहीं खाऊँगा, body बना के दिखा. So he is a vegetarian and no supplements. Yes, next. This is an 11-year-old boy. Okay, we have many children, but only those who allow us to show their pictures. This is Arjun. Today, Arjun is 14 years old, very handsome and lot more thinner. He's shy to send me his recent picture. Insta पे आ गया ना अभी वो. Right. And you must follow us on Instagram because I'll keep talking otherwise. These questions after Hima's talk. And yes, it's 12. Can we have 10 more minutes? चलना. भूख लग रही है? पक्का. Paneer. Hima की talk. I'm going to tell you that high volume. So paneer portions and these. Quick part. So I think all of you must be thinking, Hima को बोला है, Hima तो पतली नहीं लग रही है. Hima की story is something that will motivate all of us. Okay, Hima was, I think she reached a weight lower than me. She sent me a picture of hers in a long sleeve skirt and a figure hugging t-shirt. Let's hear her story.
Firstly, so good to meet you here. I mean, yes, I think we had met once when my program was on. And I have known Khyati since it was just New Balance Nutrition for 8-9 years, yes. So, I have always been obese. बहुत सारा try किया, कम हुआ, बढ़ा. Then finally after my delivery, yes, it was something which was hampering me. So, I saw her on Facebook in some other group. At that time, I was in process of shifting here, so I was just waited. Let me shift, and then I'll be in touch with her. So then my journey started. It was a long journey. It was for 2.5 years. It took me to lose around 16 to 17 kilos. But the inch loss, it was fabulous. So if you see me before and after in those pictures, 16 to 17 kilos on the scale, but in real, you would say maybe minimum 25 to 30 kilos. Yeah, if you see me. So that was commendable. One thing which I always like is, she doesn't tell you to lose weight, she tell you to change your lifestyle. The things which she told you now, like have mutton with poha that has stayed with me till now. Today also I had mutton poha at home. Even my daughter loves to eat matki poha. I make matki sprout and she loves to eat it with matki poha. Same with pav bhaji. For me, I make pav bhaji with moong dal. I don't, or if I put potato, I put very less potato in that, but my pav bhaji is with moong dal. So these all things actually helps in change your lifestyle. With that way you can maintain. For me, my story is different. I had to go through one surgery and after that my weight has gained. So that is a different story for me. But these are small bits and pieces. Even after gaining weight, it has stayed with me and I still follow it. Same way with pasta. My pasta is still with 60% of veggies and 40% of pasta. So these all things that stays with you. And I still remember and I'm still grateful for her. Main thing is, as Aditi said, you know things, but you don't know how to do it and how to incorporate in your daily life. So that is where she and her mentor comes. And it actually helps. So that was a life-changing experience for me. Still, now I am a foodie person. I do eat everything now because I am not under her now. But still, there are small things which I still follow and which I still do. Thank you.
Do you want to commit that you're going to start the program the moment I reach back?
Yes, I do. Because I want to get back to my old me. I still have 2 bags of clothes with me. So definitely, we should start again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So there was one thing, at Balanced Nutrition when we were making the whole company and the departments were being made. I said, एक department नहीं बनेगा. Redressal. I don't want complaints. We don't have a redressal department. So somebody who's lost weight, who's gained weight, surgeries, she went through hell when it came to health. But somebody who is always going to be happy with the program experience. So that was one thing. Abhi tak bhi nahi hai, touch wood. But chalo. Let's now start with your paneer question. Correct? What was your question exactly? Paneer is not good. वो कहीं गलती हमारी भी है. Paneer, when I was in college as a vegetarian, I also started thinking paneer is very healthy for weight loss. Okay, but when I started adding little more paneer, हफ्ते में 3 बार करा, 1 बार भुर्जी कर दिया, I started gaining weight. So पहले तो पता ही नहीं चलता कि weight gain क्यों हो रहा है, तो लॉस हो रहा था. Okay, then I reread my information. 30 grams of paneer gives you 7 grams of fat. Okay, 1 gram of fat is 9 calories. So 7 nines are 30 grams. पता है कितना होता है? एक मैच बॉक्स से भी छोटा. तुम कितनी पनीर खाओगे? Paneer tikka. Yesterday I said that in the podcast. So paneer tikka you order and you feel so good. आज मैंने कोई फ्राइड चीज नहीं खाई. मैं सिर्फ पनीर टिक्का खा के आ गई हूँ. एक पोर्शन पनीर टिक्का is 1100 कैलोरीज. सॉरी, मैं तो नहीं खाती कभी पनीर टिक्का. Right? No, because I don't like it and it's not healthy also. Yeah. Does paneer have protein? It does.
But when you have tofu as a substitute, kids don't like it.
So that's the trick. You need to make it properly. Okay. The war about eating healthy is only making it properly. हिमा बता दे अपने घर में सबको कि उसने मूंग दाल डाली है पाव भाजी में, कौन खाएगा? बताना किसको है? So whenever I'm making sambar, okay, white pumpkin, आधा is getting mixed inside the dal. किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. Okay, white pumpkin नहीं निकाल देंगे, drumstick निकाल देंगे, पता ही नहीं चला किसी को. Puree done inside. Then vegetables are floating. That's puree gone. Okay, how do I make palak paneer at home? Cauliflower के पत्ते कौन फेंकता है? Vitamin K rich. So palak के साथ save them, puree them. Okay, done. Easy peasy. And please किसी को बताना नहीं. Suddenly फिर उनको लगेगा कि I don't want to अभी आज खा लेते हैं. Right? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, just coming back to
Huh.
pineapple, is limited quantity say like
Yes.
40 grams still good because
Yes. So we give paneer in our diets and we write 40 grams. I feel terrible about it. But यार बस वही खानी है. And then the best way I say is भुर्जी बना लो. Because at least there is a backup of tomato, there is a backup of pyaz, capsicum, and you know, tofu also. Might I suggest, try making burji, fool everybody, it's paneer. And say, paneer is bad today. Tomorrow I'll make a better one.
But if you buy 0% fat tofu,
Huh?
then it will be easily
Why would you buy 0% fat? Tofu is coming from plant. So don't, they're fooling you. Natural fat is less, and come on, it is a good chunk of protein. It's all right. See, that's why I keep telling you about basics. Remember your basics whenever you pick up something from the market, right? You all are not getting old. Nobody needs to go home, right? 12:10 ho rakha, I have taken 10 minutes extra.
Instead of paneer, like you must have had a chena, right? So that is good. Or
It is the same.
Same.
It is just that paneer is a little more solidified. Yeah. Yes.
Happy like when we hear now that the milk of the buffalo and a cow is coming with hormone injections.
Yeah.
The meats are let go because we cannot provide for the
Yeah.
world how much meat and how many eggs are laid naturally and hormone driven.
Mm.
So we look at this food in terms of protein or a hormone injected.
So, you know, as a nutritionist, sometimes you won't believe, but अगर मैं रात को ये सोचने लगती हूँ ना, मुझे नींद नहीं आती है. About the food, I don't know what's coming in our plate. What as a mother also ना, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? The best. What I can do is, as long as I know my source, I may be right, I may be wrong. As long as you know, you're very satisfied with the source of that meat or the source of the egg. As long as you are happy, go ahead. Because if I tell you that, you know, these eggs are from a farm where they don't badger the hen, but yaar wo free laying eggs bhi, if you see the way they keep the hens, you will not probably be happy. So whereas sometimes I read about organic also, but जब जाके थोड़ा और पढ़ लो ना तो
These hormonally injected
Yeah.
meats,
Yeah.
are they the responsible factor for putting hormone imbalance in?
a little bit, but a lot of it is us. How much of the milk is actually consumed on a day-to-day basis? Compare that with the amount of junk we eat. So it's not as bad, but yes, just make sure you know your source well. Yes, ma'am. हाँ. That is see, that is something which I don't really buy. Okay, अगर थायराइड में कॉलीफ्लावर या कैबेज का कोई रोल होता तो आज पंजाब नहीं पूरा goiter और थायराइड से हो जाता, आलू गोभी खाते हैं. Okay, what about Japan? They are outliving the whole world. Their diet is predominantly soy. How then? Scientifically, if you ask me, it has components which may give you malfunctioning of thyroid. But कितनी गोभी खाते हो? Wheat से कुछ नहीं होता. Nothing. No. But कितनी गोभी खा लोगे? कितना सोया खा लोगे? Ketchup बंद कर दो. That will help thyroid more.
What about this egg yolk things also?
हाँ, egg yolk खाना चाहिए कि नहीं? आज नहीं last.
We just need to take a 2-minute break because there's Sonia here, who's the head of Burjman Mall, and then we finish the remaining questions.
Yeah, we'll give time back to you, but she has a meeting, girls. So I just wanted to thank Burjman Mall for being our event partners, for hosting us. Thank you, Ankita. Thank you, Sonia. And I think she has a little announcement which we made last week, but I'll give the mic to you.
I won't take much time, and sorry for interrupting. It was a very good session, and I wish I could have stayed for the entire day. I'll probably follow you on Instagram. So, ladies, once again, Reema, thank you for coming here, and we're very privileged to host you here, ladies here, and you keep coming back to the mall. So, thank you very much. What I wanted to announce here is that, given the success of what we've had with BeeHub, we've opened a new community space called Beehive. This is on the mezzanine level at the food pavilion. If you've all seen the new food pavilion that's come up, so this is on the mezzanine level. Now, this area is partly a co-working space. So, any of you, doing your own businesses, entrepreneurship, or generally if you want some time on your own, come and use that space. It's completely free, but you need to register online, share your email ID and mobile number and book a time slot for yourself. And you can spread the word, family, friends, children, etc. There is also one side of it which is a chill and play zone. This is for young adults, 14 plus. There are some, games. There's chess, there's Pac-Man, there's, that your teenage kids can come and use as well. And everywhere there is, there's space for you to use your laptops. There are charging stations, there's Wi-Fi available. So it's a nice little space for you to, engage with your friends, family, etc. And of course there's the food pavilion, so if you're hungry, you can always step downstairs for some food. There's currently a Dunkin' coffee shop, so if anyone wants to get a coffee, that's also possible. But make sure, like Kathy said, pick the right things in the restaurant. So yeah, we're also hoping to introduce a lot more healthy options as well in the mall. So yeah. I can help. Great. Thank you and enjoy your session.
Thank you. Perfect. A lot of your questions are very common. Okay, they are, क्या रात को carbs खा सकते हैं? 110%. Yesterday I was with clients, I ate sambar rice. Okay, how did I balance the sambar rice? Okay, I ordered for a plate of green salad. Now these are tips to take home. Okay, last 5 minutes before we eat our sambar rice. Okay, last, what I will say is always, whatever you are eating, always remember, शुरुआत सब्जी से ही होगी. I started with my green salad. Okay, I was hungry, I was dying. I ate green salad. After that, I had 3 sips of chas. Then I started on the rice and the sambar. Okay, फिर तो पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा. You have to recognize your hunger. Okay, after that, okay, I called for one more chas. अगर वो नहीं करती ना, तो rice और order कर लेती. So sambar, 8, chas. Now, if you are somebody who loves idli sambar, just get rid of one thing. Coconut chutney if you are trying to lose weight. Right? I have done a reel just yesterday, it was put up. Coconut chutney, जहाँ 150 calories की है, mint chutney is 40 calories. कुछ नहीं होगा, coconut chutney नहीं खाएंगे तो. Right? This is one smart way. Can you eat carbs at night? 110% yes. How to manage it? I have showed you. If you are eating Chinese, you have to start with saute veggies, stir fry veggies. Call for यहाँ पे तो I like the fact that you can order steamed bok choy separately, you can order French beans separately, you can order mushrooms separately. So order for that first, sides. Finish that. Then tell them that you need your noodles or your rice with extra veggies. You're a non-vegetarian, go for chicken chili. Say don't fry my chicken. And if you're a vegetarian, go for paneer or tofu. So I guarantee you there's no weight loss. There's no weight gain and there is no weight loss. So there's no weight gain. You are going to be happy. Somebody asked me for breakfast. Okay, breakfast kuch bhi kar lo, but start with an apple, papaya, anything. Okay, if you come to my house, if you open my fridge, रात में कटा हुआ फ्रूट होता ही है. कटे हुए फ्रूट से तो विटामिन निकल जाएंगे. हाँ, but the trade-off will be मैं ऐसे ही भाग जाऊंगी without eating it. Yes. हाँ. नहीं, that is BS. No, fruit is something that is supposed to be eaten. It is high in fiber. Indians today need to worry about fiber. तो फ्रूट खाओ, उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट पे टूट पड़ो. चाय पीनी है पी लो, get it out of the way so that चाय का और ना हो. Fruit first, then breakfast. She's eating matki poha. She's even added protein to her poha. So we call it power poha, sprouts poha. Yes. Sorry? हाँ, yes, fruits रात को नहीं लेने चाहिए because हम fruits को dessert मान के चलते हैं. पेट भरा हुआ है उसके बाद fruit नहीं ले सकते हो. Okay, my go-to is always either the first meal should be a fruit or it should be in between. Mango खा सकते हैं क्या? 100%. आम रस मत खाओ, श्रीखंड मत खाओ, मैंगो क्रीम कोई बोल रहा था करामा में क्लाइंट, मैंगो क्रीम अच्छा मिलता है चलेंगे, but then I got swayed by the जलेबी रबड़ी. It's on my story. आधी खानी थी पूरी खाने. Sorry? See, again, not mixing fruits may be an Ayurvedic concept. For me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah. So if you are already, there are a lot of complaints of acidity, gas, etc. If you are already right now having acidity, constipation, you're bloated, raw veggies may not work the best for you. I am a fan of raw kakadi, even if you are bloated, it's okay. But the others, try sauteing it a bit. Okay, and salads, buying salads with dressings is a myth. Sabzi kha lo, paneer tikka kha lo. Okay, it's that much fat. Yes, ma'am. Coffee is excellent. मैं मतलब सुबह चाय शाम को कॉफी, उसके बिना ऑफिस doesn't like me. है? See, मैं पहले मिल्क कॉफी पीती थी. Suddenly I have started a liking for black coffee. What is healthier? Black, but easy. पहले मिल्क कॉफी, पहले थोड़ी शक्कर कम करना ट्राई करो, फिर मिल्क कम करो, then go for black coffee.
What about egg yolks?
Egg yolks, I am not a fan of it, even if it is very very rich in other vitamins, because a lot of us right now don't need that much fat. It is 6 grams of fat in that little yolk.
So it's about calorie deficit when we talk about weight loss.
I hate that word calorie. I'll tell you, at Balanced Nutrition chart में calorie counts नहीं आते. Okay? No. The diet chart is without timing and it is without calorie counts. Then you all will be like, क्या करें? That's what we say. Now learn to feel hungry. When you're hungry, you eat. And calorie की बात करें. Even if I give you my recipe of poha, your recipe, my recipe will have 25 calories difference. हमारे तरीके अलग हैं. Okay? Your cook overall may put half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon oil. पूरे दिन में यहाँ वहाँ. So I decided that जो भी stress factor है ना weight loss का वो हटाओ. Okay, so how do you I am giving you calorie deficit, but I am educating you in a different way. Okay, what she said is how to control portion. What I do is portion control ऐसे करो कि low calorie खाना and high volume वाला. Watermelon, kurmura, they are low calorie but they are high volume. जितना मन चाहे खाओ. Fruits, okay, जितने मन चाहे खाओ. Fruits freeze करके कभी खाओ. Yum. Grapes को freeze करो एक दिन. Yum, ice cream भूल जाओगे. So try and find easy ways to make your life tolerable. Yes, Hima.
Nowadays there are very frequent cases of PCOS and PCOD in young girls.
Yes.
So how can we detect it on
Yeah.
early stage and how to prevent?
Yes.
And food habits of teenage girls. क्या
So
करें, कैसे करें?
this is something that I like to blame. See, every time we cannot take the easy ticket. As a mother, okay, how many of you have allowed your children to fill their own plates from the age of 2? 3 रोटी 2 रोटी नहीं खाई ना तो देख लेना आज कुछ नहीं. You have increased that guy's appetite. And फिर इतना छोटो बच्चा वीडियोस देखती हूँ मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे 7 months 8 months you making that child taste ice cream. Hey, what are you creating? What are you doing? McDonald's is becoming an Instagram memory. मैं बच्चे को पहली बार McDonald's ले गई और फिर हम बोलते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा सुनता नहीं है. I'll stop और बोलूंगी तो you'll be like, yeah, it's too much to be. You have to let the child plate their food. Yeah, there is a non-negotiable in my house. सैलड के बिना रोटी टच नहीं करना, पहले वो खाएंगे. Okay, so there are these non-negotiables at home, and then we say, why is my child PCOS? कितनी बार बच्चे को स्विगी करके दिया है. यहाँ क्या है? करीम्स, Deliveroo, a lot of things. So it's us. We keep the biscuits at home. We keep it at home. We keep the cookies, and then we say, खा मत. बच्चा है यार. Okay, so बच्चे को प्लेटिंग करना सिखाओ. This is the main reason, Hema, for PCOS. And it's the main reason for early puberty. Everything is coming out of packets. आलू पराठा केचप, एक मिनट, इडली केचप? इतना क्या कंटाला? It's idli and dahi chutney. Otherwise, don't eat it. Now she's grown up. She's eating coconut chutney. She's a sportswoman. She plays badminton state level. So it's non-negotiable. Croissants, nahi. You want to destroy her hormonal makeup. Okay. Other trades off are ना, French fries खाएगी, burger खा लेगी. तो जो चीज नहीं है, तो वो अभी तो नहीं है. And see, we are parents, not friends. I tell you that. I'm your parent. As much as you like it or no, I'm a nutritionist. Yeah, guys, it's in our hands, our children. Yes. I would replace a juice with Diet Coke at my age. I may not want that sugar. And at my daughter's age or younger children, I will introduce them to the world of beetroot juice and carrot juice, not orange juice. Juicing your vegetables is okay once in a while, not juicing your fruits. Diet Coke is healthy. Of course, it's not healthy. But अगर तुम मुझे बोल रहे हो मुझे Coke पीनी है, I'll say go ahead and have Diet Coke. You're not influxing sugar, but that doesn't mean 3 Diet Cokes a day with every meal. Okay, 1 odd Diet Coke in a week is okay. Yes, sir.
What about milk for children? Like 2 glasses of milk like these two?
Huh. See, milk is okay. But milk with sugar, milk with Bournvita लाता कौन है? Bournvita टच नहीं करेगी अब तू. खिलाया क्यों? पिलाया क्यों? चखाया क्यों? Right? So no, and yeah, plain milk, I am happy if the child is having it. We've been having it for ages.
What about low fat milk?
Huh?
Low fat milk.
Low fat. If you ask me about skim milk, if my child is showing me signs of being chubby, I will go for skim milk. If my child is okay, then एक बार मलाई निकाला हुआ is good to go.
Ma'am, if my child is not drinking milk at all, then
Perfect, no issues, no issues. Don't worry. Calcium मिल जाएगा, protein मिल जाएगी. Just make sure the rest of the diet is nice. Yes, ma'am. 100% देनी चाहिए. See, guys, these are ना Ayurvedic concepts. गरम दूध और and I'm not the best person to say or ask that. People don't eat. People even say that you can't mix a vegetable with a milk. But हम तो gravy and soups में milk डालते ही हैं. So that's Ayurveda. Like पानी पीना है कि नहीं during meals. I have so many questions, but I shouldn't be commenting. I am not educated in that.
what about dinner timings? Like they say early dinner is better or
Yeah, early dinner is better, but I have air hostesses as clients. I have been eating all my dinners after 10:30 because I finished my last client meet here at 10 o'clock. And yesterday at 11:30 I was eating jalebi. So it's not the timing, okay? It is what you have done throughout the day. There are good days, there are bad days. Okay, every day is not going to be perfect, right? I think that I will have to check.
Here we cannot get malai.
Really? So that means the malai has probably been yes, maybe yes. I think we're done. मैंने कौन का ना पहले बताया था. हम ये वीडियो में एक बार ले लेंगे.
dark chocolate 75 to 85% is it
I just answered dark chocolates. We'll share this video on Instagram. Take a look at it. Thyroid foods. Foods which ones to have for thyroid? Each and every food. Just make sure the diet is balanced in your protein, fiber, carb ratio. You want me to answer more?
No, I think just considering the time, we also have to vacate the venue in some time.
Okay.
Kathy is available for
Yes.
one-to-ones and
Yes.
she's going to be hanging around for the next
Yes.
1 hour, 2 hours.
Yes.
As long as you girls want. So it's better to consult her and her team for a proper,
Yes. In fact, before we, what do you say? Say our final buys, I have one surprise for you.
Let's do it.
And that surprise is, ta-da! Please take a picture. This is exclusively, please mention. You might talk to my team. Okay, you will talk to Kajal, or you will have a Krishna or a Barkha. You'll talk to my team, right? So please tell them you are from IWT. They all know that there is IWT.
Yeah, I spoke to Carter day before yesterday.
Yes, you did?
Can I have one to one?
Of course, yes. I will be Rima's introduced me to Philly Cafe.
Yeah, Philly Cafe, she's gonna have
If
them.
we
She's
are going
here
to-
for the next 30,
Yes,
40 minutes.
yes.
And then when we have
Till we have to vacate, I'm here.
Yeah.
Right? And I have given you my personal numbers. The card that you all got,
Yeah.
it's my personal number, WhatsApp me. No. We are online. So in the last 10 years, we 5,000 clients, but I have come only 4 times. So this is the 4th. Yeah, I will come often. That's it, guys. This was it. But one more, health score.
Yes.
Everybody is a part of the IWD WhatsApp group. Yeah. We will share the health score again now, and we will share our Instagram link now. You must follow because आज घर जाके खाना खा के you all will forget otherwise. It was a pleasure talking to all of you.
Okay,
Yes.
keep listening. Can you have a big round of applause for Kathy? We all enjoy the talk. Was it worth the time? Okay, there are 3 things we have to do. Till then, I want all your secrets. So, Kathy, I want you in a video. Please, will you come here? We'll do a... So, I'm going to shout 3, 2, 1, and I'll say this. And I want you all to make a lot of noise if you enjoyed this session. Deal? Yes. I want you with me to stand up. And I'm just going to take my hands off the phone. Okay? And we'll do that transition of every and make a lot of noise. Ready? Everybody ready? I want you all to make a lot of noise because you're going to be in that video. And you also. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Hooray! For her time with us, and as IWG we support small businesses, so I'd love to have you here. This is from Prasadni ji. Prasadni ji, are you here? There you go. It's all handmade, guys. It's made by with a lot of love. And yes, this is something you can take it home and will never expire. And this is also a little bit. This is from Sushmita. She's not here, but this is her. There's a little nice bag inside her, and Sonia from IWD. Again, supported by small businesses. Thank you so much. Yes, let's talk about the dress. The dress is from Hero. Can you stand? This is gorgeous. Guys, we have entrepreneurs exhibiting here. They're all women entrepreneurs, small businesses. You know, what you guys can do to support them, and you don't have to spend money there. Can you please all go to their stalls? Take some pictures. Please, recommend them to your friends. Go and like their Instagram. Itna se support kar doge na. It really helps every small business, every woman who's trying to get financially independent. And I expect all of you who are here to support our mission. Sounds good? And then what we want a group picture. So can we have all of you on this side now? We'll make 3 here. We'll stand in the middle. DJ. We'll make 3 layers here on the 3 steps. Okay? That's I want you to do. And 10 layers here on the Let's begin next. Start. And I want people who are fit enough to squat. Can you please squat in the front? Yes. Guys, come on. You want a nice group picture. I want everyone here as a good souvenir. Good memory. I think the team is going to get on the chairs now. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, first we'll take a picture in Zubin's phone. Okay, and
1, 2, cheese. Done.
okay, in Manish's camera, nice.
Nobody's
Now 3 to 1.